Here man Jabby once again from out of Kingston, Jamaica representing. And me I say all sound man, all DJ globally, all sound system. Link me up on this number in Kingston, Jamaica. 876-839-6050. Or WhatsApp me anytime and you get your dub play. The biggest and the baddest dub play them to kill any sound anywhere in the world, any boy, any girl. Yeah man drop the rhythm, because we even not too long talking, you know. Call when name up so we kill your up so. Call when name down so we kill your down so. Call when name cross so we kill your cross so. You call when name yeah so you're dead. From them call up with them. Tonight them son a go dead. I wanna love when you no jump and dead so. Call up with them. Son a go dead. Remember her son clash your head and call up with them. Remember who no son a go dead. I wanna love when you no tin pan dead so. Call up with them. Son a go dead. Remember her son clash your head. Alright, kill them already, now we killing them again. The buckle ya we bring fi buckle up them dopey them. Say them a dog, have some lick up in them. Well you shouldn't send a dog up in a lion's den. AK bullet man a pierce pan them. Mac 90 bullet where we pierce pan them. This we know a pure bullet all pan them. The one ya snatch with them so load with. Original sound killers we are. Them rate we as the #1 we are. Okay, Jabby dub kill boy sound from them call up with them. Yeah, who know son a go dead. I wanna love when you no jump and dead. So call up with them. Son a go dead. Remember her son clash your head and call up with them. Remember who know son a fi dead. I wanna love when you nothing pan dead. So call up with them. Son a go dead. Yeah man, your son a go dead. Alright. We back from January to December. Kill any sound we never remember. Kill any sound in other lounge, in other dance. We make the P anywhere we wanna. Hey, that one you right where we get just like a katana. Them now want me rise up me llama. Tell them when this bus, them dead are when a Christmas. In the summertime, sound of dead till people discuss. Hey, the baddest sound we on ya. Jabby are the baddest DJ in the world, yeah. Yeah, man. Big up the whole of people them in the world. Big up all the people them where you know say. One of my fans. So big up on yourself. Big up all of the sound man. All I selected them will keep on playing my music them globally. I don't know. Last but not least. Big up Father God. Jabby representing the #1 DJ in the world. Yeah.